Welcome to the Accademia Italiana Chef, the only academy in Italy with 7 professional schools and European certifications. For over 10 years, we have been transforming Italians' passion into a profession, enabling employment for thousands of graduates throughout Italy and around the world as chefs, pastry chefs, and pizza chefs. The Academy is also an institute for research and protection of true Italian cuisine, as well as a university technology centre of the Italian University, IUL. We present the Masters of Pasta and Sauces course for foreign students. The aim of this master's course is to teach you to professionally cook 100% Italian first courses and to graduate as an expert in Italian pasta and sauces. It is a course taught in English that takes place at our academy in Italy. 2 weeks of intense practices followed by professional Italian chefs. We start from scratch with the fundamentals of Italian cuisine, the basic ingredients and the classic pasta doughs. As you continue to practice, you will make more special doughs using various types of flour and other customization ingredients, until you are able to create the classics and gourmet versions in a perfect Italian style. You will discover the secrets behind dried pasta and classic Italian sauces, their balance, and how to create dishes that are creamy and enveloping. Easily, practical after practical, your skills will be improved and you will learn to create and finish dishes like an Italian chef would do. During the final test, you will demonstrate speed, skill and competence, and you will be graduated as a professional expert in Italian pasta and sauces from the Accademia Italiana Chef. Check the lessons calendar now and enroll on the upcoming master's course.